Challenge 2 base. What are we coming in with? 12 devout, 6 absolvers. So to give you some idea of what we have. And I use 2 tunes. You don't need to. You can do it with 1. I have 1 goal. No damage. To get there, I'm going to just take less than 5 minutes damage. Just taking out the big stuff. Alright, that's enough for him. Get those guys out of there. They did enough damage. Again, they didn't get much. Bring in the next batch. They'll clean the rest. Basically, the only thing you need to kill are the little troops and then overwatches and rails. The rest won't shoot you, so ignore it. Clean that up at the end. Kill the rails, kill the overwatches, kill these little smoke guys. And I think that was it. Now just put it on Ruby and you're done. So like I said, you can easily do it with 1 set, but I'm just keeping it down. Then Ruby will just clear it out and you're done. Challenge 2. It's just that easy. Go and do likewise. I know you can do it. That was it.